Friends, in our today's list of IPO, we are going to discuss on Windlass Biotech Limited, which is aiming to raise 401.5 crores, out of which 165 crores worth by issuing fresh equity shares to public and 51,42,000 equity shares through offer for sale. Hi friends, myself Shiva from Allfins. Our aim is to raise your financial awareness through the videos we make on behalf of Allfins channel. Please subscribe to Allfins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page to achieve financial freedom. While late, let's begin the topic. Now we will see little info about Windlass Biotech Limited. Windlass Biotech Limited is a Uttarakhand pharma based company with a network spread across 14 other states. Windlass Biotech Limited provides pharmaceutical development services, large-scale manufacturing services to its customers and consumers around the world. They are recognized as one of the fastest growing generic medicines company with a pan-India distribution network. Windlass Biotech Limited are expertise in research and development laboratories, which includes formulation development, analytical development, and chemical research areas located at Dehradun Plant 1. They are associated partner for more than 100 plus leading domestic pharmaceuticals and MNCs like Pfizer, Cadila Pharmaceuticals, Sanofi, Intas, etc. They had strong presence for anti-diabetic, cardiovascular, neuropsychiatry, respiratory health, gastroenterology, vitamins, minerals and supplements, simply VMS, analgesics, dermatological, cold, cough, etc. Windlass Biotech provides B2B support for formulation development, inventory and supply chain management, commercial manufacturing and distribution. The firm is amongst the top 5 players in the domestic pharmaceutical formulations, contract development and manufacturing organizations CDMO industry in India in terms of revenue. It has also 2 strategic operations, naming domestic trade generics and over-the-counter OTC brands and exports. The proceeds from IPO will be utilized for purchasing of equipment required for capacity expansion of the facility at Dehradun Plant 4 and addition of injectables dosage capability at the facility at Dehradun Plant 2. It will also be used for funding incremental working capital requirements, repayments or prepayments of certain of borrowings and general corporate purposes. AKW Family Private Trust and Ashok Kumar Windlass, Hitesh Windlass, Manoj Kumar Windlass are the company promoters. Windlass families has been in the business since 77 years. Now coming to company financials, Windlass Biotech Limited profits are decreasing year on year with increase in revenue. You can see the figures for past 3 years. It shows the company is unable to use funds in proper manner. Based on reported EPS of 8.7 rupees in financial year 21, the valuation is at 53 times to earnings at the higher end of IPO price. So you can see the last year EPS is 8.7 and it is 53 times to the earnings. Financial experts and institutional investors had a mixed recommendations, that is mostly from neutral to apply. An investor could invest in Windlass Biotech IPO for short-term listing gains. Now coming to quota allotted. The company, in consultation with merchant bankers, decided to reserve up to 50% of the offer for qualified institutional investors, up to 15% for non-institutional bidders, and up to 35% for retail individual bidders. The minimum application that can be made by an investor would be 30 equity shares and thereafter in multiples of 30 equity shares. Retail investors can invest a minimum of 13,800 per lot and a maximum investment would be 1,93,200 for maximum of 14 lots at the higher end of the price band, as they are allowed to invest up to 2 lakhs. Now coming to main part, that is Windlass Biotech IPO details. IPO price band 448 to 460 per equity share. IPO opening date 4th August 2021. IPO closing date August 6th. Allotment date August 11th, initiation of refunds August 12th and shares will be going to list on August 17th, 2021. DAM Capital, IIFL Securities, SBI Capital Markets Limited are the book running lead managers to the IPO. Friends, hope you got the basic details of the IPO. Once again, save the date for Windlass Biotech IPO and subscribe to become the shareholder in the company. Don't have the Demat account to subscribe for Windlass Biotech Limited IPO? While late, click on the Zero the Demat account opening link given in the description below and subscribe for Windlass Biotech Limited IPO as a good start. Friends, I hope you are clear with the topic. If so, please like and share the video. Also subscribe to the Allfins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. Moreover, if you have any doubts about financial freedom, please don't hesitate to post your query in the comment box and click on the bell symbol next to each video to receive future uploaded video notifications. Friends, last one. If you want to clear your queries on stock market and mutual funds, you can also call me directly to my contact number displayed on the screen below from morning 10 AM to evening 6 PM on the working days. Thank you.